The Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve is one of the best places to view waterfowl and shorebirds in southern Nevada. The preserve is a collection of ponds within 140 acres of the city's water reclamation facility. However, when driving there, pay attention to the signs. The preserve is in an industrial area, and the small side street is easy to miss. Take the Galleria Drive exit from US 95. Drive east for 1.7 miles. Look for these signs and turn left onto the unnamed narrow road. Follow the road to the parking lot. Then enter the small visitor center, where all visitors must sign a register to visit the preserve. Even though this is technically an industrial facility, the city of Henderson does a great job of maintaining the pond's bird-friendly qualities, such as keeping consistent water levels and allowing the growth of shoreline vegetation. The city also does a great job of providing amenities for birders. All of the ponds are connected with paved and graveled walking paths. There is a boardwalk, an observation deck, and several blinds and park benches. The cooler months of fall, winter, and spring are the best times to visit. As expected, it's pretty hot in the summer. Wear sun protection and bring water. Finally, take notice of the preserve's limited hours, closing at 2 p.m. daily.